Welcome to Conversion Van headquarters. My name is Jeff Seib. We're located here in Dallas, Texas. What we have here today is a 2017 Chevrolet Express 2500 7-passenger with Explorer's Select 4x4 system. This van only has 36,200 miles. It's got a clean Carfax, no accident history whatsoever. This van's absolutely stunning. Just look how it shines. You can see the reflection as I go down from the front all the way to the back. This van is in amazing shape. Again, it's got a clean Carfax, no accident history whatsoever. Nice clean door panels. Black leather with white stitching. Amazing shape. Again, it only has 36,200 miles on it. It's got a center console here, which has a built-in game system, or actually where you could just plug in your game system. It's got a fast charger. It houses a Blu-ray player as well. You notice it has automatic running boards that'll pop down when you open up the door. They will also shut when you shut the door. They're made by Amp Research, which is an excellent company. Check this out. It has executive seats in the middle. These are sweet. They have power seat bases, no manual. These are all power. These chairs have power recline on them. They have heated seats. They have power leg extensions, and they also have massaging features. Turn that on and now they will absolutely massage you. This is a very, very, very nice van. Here are the switches. Here's a Blu-ray player with that console. And then we got a big TV up here. To give yourself a little privacy, it's got some built-in curtains here. Separate the front and the back. Of course, you can open them as well. It's got lit up cup holders. It's got a sofa that'll turn to a bed with the press of a button here in the back. It's got a power sunroof. It's got lots of ambient lighting. It's got JBL speakers inside the van. It's got wireless headphones. So if you did not want to hear the music, you could actually come here. You can turn off the button that says TV speakers. It'll kill the sound, and then you just wear your wireless headphones. That way the driver and passenger can listen to their favorite radio station or their favorite music as they're traveling or just wherever they may be going. The back of the van's beautiful and great shape. And now we're gonna show you how this bed will operate. It's a trifold sofa, so it's bigger than the bifold sofa. It'll give you an extra 16 inches. The sofa's in great shape. Lit up cup holders. Here's a switch that'll slide the bed forwards or backwards. That'll also lay the bed completely flat. Right here is where you can hang your clothes when you're traveling. All the windows have blinds on them. They're in great shape. This is definitely the van you've been looking for. I've been selling conversion vans since the late 90s, and I have never had them with the 4x4 with those massaging seats with the power leg extensions there in the middle. And not to mention, the vehicle only has 36,200 miles with a clean Carfax. This is an absolute beast of a vehicle. Great shape. Give us a call today, 469-272-7781. I'll walk around one more time. There are those power running boards right down here. They stow when you shut the door. It's got some aftermarket headlights with switchback, LED switchbacks. And it's got aftermarket turn signal lenses as well. I'll show you one more time this inside. Of course, these leg extensions don't always have to be up. You can press a button and they will go down. It's got LED lights up above. Our website is www.conversionvanhq.com. My name is Jeff. I'm the owner here. Give us a call, 469-272-7781. Thank you.